Alright guys, today we got another unboxing video. This is called a Dirt Devil Power Max Rewind. It's heavy duty power cord rewind. It's a nice vacuum cleaner. We got the first one, and we got and the belt broke about 5 days ago, and that we gotta exchange it to a new one. It's a brand new one. It's the same vacuum cleaner. I like this one, Mommy.
Oh, good.
I like the brush throw, and I like the brush throw at the floor, Mommy.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah. And at the top. So, now let's go ahead and get this on go, guys.
You sabotaged Homer's job interview, didn't you?
Let's see.
Homer's already know this.
There we go.
Everybody's chasing ghosts.
There we go.
Means either you know who did it or somebody wants everyone chasing ghosts. Who does that sound like?
Alright.
You want to do that?
You want me to come help you?
I got it.
Oh,
Alright. There it goes. The tape that holds the box. Oh, sorry.
If you want them to stay, tell them. I don't. No point. You do.
Alright, so here's the manual. It's the instruction guide of how to work the vacuum, the Dirt Devil. I don't know, you can see because, yeah, you can see it. Here's the instruction manual, and over there on right next we have a questions, frequently asked questions, whatever you call that.
FAQs.
FAQs, yeah. So, and we have the accessories, right? These are the accessories, right? The hose and all that stuff. Yep, and here's all the accessories right there. Alright. And here it is. Here's the vacuum. Let me go ahead and put the camera down. It's kind of hard to use it with the one hand, so let me go ahead and put the camera down. Just make sure we have some light in that case so we can all see it when I... Got it. Yep. Alright. Yeah, can you hold the box? Whoops.
Personality issues.
Here we go. And there we go. And here it is. And there it is. And alright, here's the vacuum. I don't know, yeah, you can see it. I think there's yeah, you can see it. We need to get the new light bulbs, and that way we can see it. See the what I'm doing. And right here, here's the accessories that we need. Now just put this in right there. There we go. There we go. And a hose. Let's put this in. Alright. And here's the brush roll. We're gonna put this aside. There's some hangers right there. Alright. Alright. Make sure we get, there we go. And this. Now we just need to put this part to where it goes. Alright. Let's see.
Just here to watch.
There we go, right there. Alright. Let's see.
Still waiting a new biopsy for amyloidosis. Yeah, still nothing. Check your results. Looks like you're in for an all-nighter.
Where's the... Oh, there it goes. Right here. Alright. And this hose goes in right here. Alright. Just checking to make sure yep, it's recording. Just checking to make sure I didn't press the record button. Alright. Let's turn this line on quick. Alright, here it is. Now here's the cord. And let's test it out, shall we? Do a quick run test. Let's plug it in. Oh, hold on. That's a nice cord right there. You just need to lift up the cord, and that way you can plug it in. Alright. That's working good. Alright. Now let's do a quick test. Where's the height to it? Let's see, where's the height? Let's see. Where's the manual says? Let's see, where's the height adjustment? There we go. Quick release. Alright. Alright guys, since we got all set up, let's do a quick run through. Here we go. As you can see, the brush roll is spinning. I don't know, you can see the brush rolls. Alright guys, if you have enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.